Just got this 2 days ago. Didn't have time to open it up, but it's a Goodsmile Racing online, and it is. I'll let you guys find out. Let's go ahead and open it. So let me see. So there you go. Let me see if I could do this with one hand, guys. Let's do the other side. I'm not gonna do an opening. I'm just gonna keep it intact in its box. I just want to show you guys the packaging. That's it. I think other people will probably do the unboxing better than me. So we'll just see how this is. Alright. Sorry guys. Let's try to get a better camera next time. So here's the packaging. And let me stand up. Looks like they put a tissue paper over it, and that's it. And there you guys go. This is the Racing Miku 2014 version. Props to Goodsmile. This is that's the bottom of it. Just the front of it. Don't worry, I'll unpackage the tissue boxes later. And there you guys have it. God, I gotta get a new camera. Alright, let's open it up. This is the back cover. Take a look at it. Here's the side. And this is the front end. See if we can get you some nice picture. 414 Racing Miku 2014. I don't know if they had this last year, but I saw this. There you have it, guys. I'm not gonna unbox it. I want to keep it. I always keep my nendoroids in its box form, and I don't know. That's how I like it. But I'm pretty sure you guys can find out the unboxing from the other channels. And peace, YouTube.